What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of transferring your follows from Twitter to BLUESKY using the Sky Follower Bridge extension. This method allows you to refollow your Twitter connections easily, streamlining your transition to BLUESKY. So first, open the Twitter site, type x.com. Since Twitter name changed to X, while in the Twitter tab or X tab, make sure that you log into your account. Now that you're logged in, let's open a new tab. In the new tab, type Sky Follower Bridge to get the extension of Sky Follower Bridge. After you search for it, click Sky Follower Bridge. Now here, click Add to Chrome or Brave or any web browser you used to add it to the extension. After that, click Add Extension. Now that you add the extension of Sky Follower Bridge, let's go back to Twitter tab. While in the Twitter or X tab, click Settings. In the Settings tab, scroll down until you locate the App, Passwords, and Advanced section. After you locate the App Passwords section, click it. From here, click Add App Passwords. Now, name your app passwords and it's up to you how you name it. Now, click Create App Passwords. The password of App Password appears, so copy the password. Now, open the Extension tab, usually located at the top right of the screen. After you open the extension, open Sky Follower Bridge. Now enter your username of BLUESKY and paste the passwords of App Password. Now click Find BLUESKY Users, and there you have successfully migrated your Twitter follows to BLUESKY using the Sky Follower Bridge extension. This method helps you quickly reconnect with your existing network on a new platform. As a next step, explore your new BLUESKY feed and engage with your follows. Remember to manage your app password securely moving forward. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.